Hey YouTube, welcome back to the vlog. We're still in Jamaica, and today I'm gonna take you guys on a new and exciting journey. I'm going to be showing you guys a day in my life as a 26-year-old farmer living in Jamaica. So at the moment I'm leaving immigration office because I want to find out if I can get, I don't know, them have this pass where you can put in your UK passport whenever you come to Jamaica. You no need for like bring your Jamaica passport to get the cheap things them, you know what I mean? So whenever I travel at the moment, I have my UK passport and my Jamaican passport. So I will leave the UK, leave the UK on my British passport, enter on my Jamaican, and then leave on my Jamaican when I get to the British soil. I then show them my UK passport because you need it for the, you know, for the e-kit, so you can scan and just go through the immigration. So in Jamaica, they have this, I need to get the name, I'm going to put it on the screen if I can. Unconditional something down, like pass. Of unconditional landing. Thanks AJ. There's some brother there, but I don't even like the camera. Hey darling! Wagwan! Ajeda! Wagwan! I wonder who you are winding Savannah. But guys, let me just say no. Yeah, Jamaica have something more named unconditional landing. And you put the pass in your passport and you can just travel for like 10 years without any additional documents. So I'm gonna try to start that up, but I'm thinking I need a bird paper and that they're England. So probably the next time I visit. But I just want to find out the requirements and, you know, the pricing and so forth. Anyways, let's talk about the farming now. So you guys wanna know something like I have my finger in enough different little parts, right? I'm like try my hands and, you know, I'm just like I'm like giving myself the opportunity for actually delving each passion or interest that I have in life. So pole dancing, I did that for one summer just to like build up my muscles and, you know, get a bit more fit because it always fascinated me. I've done the Airbnb, I've been fascinated by that. I did that for 6 months, made a buck, taught you guys a lot of things from that. I'm doing the landlord thing, I'm doing the project management thing. So, you know, I'm doing the girl little thing. So today now, we're starting a farm. Well, I've started a farm, I'm just sharing it with you guys. So I have some chicken. I did always want a farm, you know, but I'm just never sure how to go about getting it, and it wasn't a priority. But lately, since I've, you know, been living by myself, I've just been finding that a lot of my earlier passions that I had in life is just coming to the forefront of my brain. So I have a little linky, but a piece of land, and them did already do them thing. I'm gonna say, alright, Mama just build upon that, because I find say life a lot more easier when you do things in a unity than you just do things by yourself. So me I do the local farm thing with my linky. I have my own chicken them, and them I feed them own products. So I'm going to take you guys along. Today is my first official day like seeing them in person. We've been going over the past few months over we've been back and forth in conversation on WhatsApp and video call just to like find out, and, you know, for me to supply the money and stuff like that. So today we're going to check on the chickens, make sure that the temperature is not too hot, because in the know Jamaica heat is normal. Going to check if they need any fans, if they need any pipe for extra water, if they need medicine, if they need vitamin, stuff like that. So I hope you guys are interested. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if this is something that you're interested in doing. And if you guys have any questions at all about farming, about, you know, moving, living in Jamaica for an extended period, vacationing in Jamaica, or anything like that. So now that I've left passport office, we are now heading into Offer Tree. Well, we're going to Constant Spring? Yeah. Constant Spring to get some KFC. I haven't had any KFC on the island, and my mouth is just watering for KFC. So I'm going to get myself a barbecue and a spicy. And then I'm going to order something for my mom. I think she wants a 3-piece. Probably surprise her and give her that and call it a day. And she always want breast. And AJ, what you order?
Zinger.
AJ, I get one zinger. People, zinger is a fish burger. We not have it in the UK, you know?
Fish burger, bro.
No, a fish burger, fish meat.
No, bro, it's chicken.
And a fish?
No.
Which one are the fish?
Them have the fish burger different.
No, it name zinger?
No, the.
Oh. I could have swear that it's zinger and the fish. But alright, the zinger is a a chicken burger, but guys, them season it the same way them do the chicken, if not even more. Because the barbecue one need a segment on itself. So we might do a look of mukbang since we're done there while we are drive go check out the chicken then. But make sure you subscribe, you know. Guys, this is the KFC that we're going to today. And this is a must try if you ever visit Jamaica. Like, you must try the KFC. I'm not exaggerate. Jamaica and Dominican Republic. Like, you must try the KFC. I really want to try Tokyo. More me and AJ go Tokyo. I feel like that. I feel like I need you at Tokyo. No, big Tokyo with them do the Mario Go Kart on the road. Me talk about actual Tokyo, the country.
Oh,
what about food, dog? Yeah. Your world revolve around food? Maybe, just maybe a little bit. Do you have a drive-thru? In the park? I'm in good on the land now. In the park, yes? Guys, AJ gonna look for some parking. So I'm just run going at the KFC now. Eh? Mo wanted? For who wanted me? You want to see them? You want to see I? Because it looks like you want to see I, and that's why you come here. So what go on YouTube? No, most YouTube is probably for the fun. You have to make the money. I always look lovely, thanks. Every time. No, man, later. Guys, I'm gonna have to switch the order because my mom wants high and I ordered her breast. But the food is good. Is your breast are tight? What is that? I tried this though, the bone and back. So I fear this then so good. So what excitement for? Or like more on tea. Let me see. Oh, she not eat breast at all. Wanna have it? Tight too. Oh, them are going good then, man. What my figure? Okay, as I see the flavor. Oh, you want drug? Oh, you want drug? You could get on next bag then. If you carry my things in my hand. There should be like another carrier going on. Oh, you want to get it? So, mommy want no? Just put them the same bag. Go ahead and carry. I think I can walk with me, you know, the people, I'm going to say, God, I'm going to like, when I see them, all rub them, they come out. Dog. On a 99 Jamaica this one. They'll get better. I wear juice. Which juice you want? You know, one day. A tropical naked for me? Yeah. Lovely stuff. No, lovely stuff. You know me. You like ketchup? This is my order, and this is the price. Hold on. Okay guys, I got some Tropicana. You know where I'm gonna, so them not refill the drink them no more at all, or just this branch?
No, them not start back on from COVID.
The man says so much for see. The man said I can't invest back like this again. And Jamaicans still a go. One should have boycott them for a week. I'm supposed to get them pockets.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
I know it could have been holiday no matter what. Guys, I got some Tropicana. Previously, you would be able to have unlimited drinks in Jamaica KFC, but since COVID, they stopped. And I used to always mix all the different flavors, like right across everything, and just make my own concussion.
Ringworm. I catch ringworm. God, them so cross. Yo, me here told them go on.
Me I said never in England. Like
never look for the light when
them no look, them just walk. Them not look left, them not look right, them just walk like when I ever secure in a hospital. The drink tastes watered down to me. my honest opinion.
You drink them juice.
Them have what them have portable Western Union, which I could really get the cash.
You know the manager in the frame. I want a money friend them from a long time.
Well, I'm gonna see what time I'm finish. I'm probably seeing something in here just started. These chips are not my favorite.
You should try Popeyes. Popeyes are the best.
You want some chips?
Fries, brother. I want to use the chips.
I want some fries. I love the cut of it. I love how it's thick, but it's not crispy enough and it's not salty enough.
They're probably around KFC fries like 3rd or 4th.
Who you top two?
Popeyes and Burger King.
Okay, I'm gonna try them. I'm not ever try the Popeyes.
No, hold on. The Island Grill the over, so Island Grill the 3rd, KFC the 4th. No, Island Grill fries are seasoned fries.
Island Grill fries the first to me. I love them fries.
You try Popeyes fries. I mean Popeyes fries are the same seasoned fries, you know.
Yeah, but probably you know some of them cooking a different aisle, like I don't know, different things changing. So, but no, that man tried to know. So guys, we have the crispy chicken here. I think this is a thigh piece, and I will have one small piece of breast in the original. Them never have no barbecue. So I'm gonna start with the spicy because I've been a think about this. But we don't make one look at TikTok people.
Been a dream about this.
What do you want, piece of the spicy or the original?
Just give me like, we're ready for it.
Beer police, we have beer camera.
Put the camera there because left or right?
Not for Jamaicans, you know. We split so everybody would have got a ticket every week.
Let me answer that. I'm saying left or right? Oh, left a ticket or right?
Full gosh bar.
So when I'm saying left or right means if you give him something.
Really?
Left the ticket or
leave you alone or you want me write you up. Wow. You choose your buckle.
You just give a $4 and have to pay a $10, bro.
True. I ain't have nothing to pay a record too. Oh gosh. Fireworks in the moment right now. Buddy, you're up there bad. Guys, so now that we get the KFC, we're heading to get some gas. I actually wanted to record how much I spend in a day, living in Jamaica. I'm gonna think I might do it on TikTok.
People want a shock.
It's not gonna be that much. The KFC, the gas. What am I gonna do? Epican? I crash them nearly crash?
Yeah, because I must say, I'm not letting nobody else.
You have to aggressive with the road, you have to take your turn.
You
know, this low-y.
The BMW man say, you know, so I'm not
well, you know? Because I know I have my insurance, I can say to me, you understand? I don't like the skin though, too much.
You remember so the reason with the man them started came
dog, man, so
chicken dog.
Machine made chicken.
Yeah. So the
no, I have to go peel them out, it's bad dog.
It's bad dog. I don't make anything taste good, dog. I'm not going to stop. dirty dog, so.
I would never do nothing to you, then I never do nothing now. Alright guys, when we get to the gas station, I'll start the vlog again. Bye! Some of you guys were intrigued to see where I grew up in Jamaica. So I'm in one of the neighborhoods now. You guys know I've moved around a fair bit, so we're to start with them called the ghetto / local garrison, isn't it? So you must know say me and my family beat all odds. The paint stay the same from a born and grow up. The paint never change. And nice same way I do it still have local life. But I'm not really showing the yard, but I show now. Isn't it? Look 1 2 1 2 so. I'm gonna look for some of my family then before we go around the farm and none of them know some of the here. How that? Jada Wagwan. Chicken them so I can go and cook it to see how it tastes, if it's tender, if it's tough or what. So I can see what going and what can change. We're not the farm now, I know I look a black bag. You know say I get the edge, you know I go.
What you don't care, though?
Oh, to leak out? Or you not a newspaper for it up? Eh? Put it back?
I throw it on the back.
In a trunk? But you clean it up for me. You know she don't wanna come from work, come cook for me and you have 2 big old pitney?
No, clean it up.
No, there.
You don't know to clean it up?
Oh,
no.
You're supposed to. Me neither, but you're supposed to.
Oh, you say them do it for you up the door?
Yeah, where I say if me ever do it? Yeah. No. But I'm watching a video for no oil though. How will we get? Chick? One. When I run for another time, how was that? Them think of them time. I'm moving on. I just put this on now. Murder. Come on, do the swelling?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay.
Why when them jump out in the hole, man?
Holy man.
You look free.
So this is what you would get. You would get your vape top, this is your pen, which is this.
Okay.
And you get your charger. So you would screw it on here and attach it to any USB port. Okay. It takes about 30 minutes to charge.
So once all is finished, you just come to
Hey guys, we just left Epicon. I am now at the courtyard. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It's really nice. Guys, welcome back to the channel. My voice is going, honestly. I truly haven't rested as well as I should, so this evening I'm taking it very slow. I mean, that's relative, but I'm just about to cook. I'm gonna make some jollof rice or white rice with some curry chicken, and it's the chicken that I got from my farm, so I just want to see if it's tender or not. Hey Jamie, can I drink this? I'm gonna with the water. Yes, so far. And this one's even cold. Yeah.
Give me a 2 minute.
Alright. Smell like beer, like proper beer. I should have tilted it so it don't get that much drop off on this side. I'm just preparing my ingredients. This is the prep for the chicken and this is the prep for the jollof. I'm going to use more tomatoes, obviously. And I got some tomato paste. And I brought this from England because my brother loves the jollof rice. So today he asked me if I could make 2 pots for him before I go. Just now, boy. If you don't get out of here. AJ, you have a cutting board? No. You have cutting board? Yeah. Which bar? Thanks. People might play some music now, so catch you in a minute. That's enough. If it's a normal scream. May I give you 1 more cup? Or you want 3 cups?
Ready to fight a duel.
AJ, you have to chew up the bone for Milan. She can chew? Him can chew?
I'm afraid he's gone a lot by Christmas. We should do something about it, Edward.
Yeah, I'm just tomato chew.
To finish the call by 1400, but otherwise.